Tonight is the free webinar on Grok mentoring. Feel free to join us. Details at the end of this video. Welcome! It is Thursday, May 12, 2011. My name's Des here at Grok Trade, and the markets rebound back nicely. We had jobless claims drop by 44,000. PPI, a slight increase this morning. Retail sales came in as expected. We do have here Dow up 0.52%, about the same on the S&P. Nasdaq doing a little better, up 0.63%. Russell is really up nicely, 0.82%. Banks right in the mix. VIX down 5.4%. Gold slightly up. Same goes with silver. Big rebounds there in commodities, with the dollar being down 0.2%. So take a look here at the S&P daily, and I thinned out some lines here, or at least made them in such a way that you can't hardly see them, so it doesn't look so confusing. There's only 4 lines I want you to look at, 2 pairs. No, don't restart my computer. We have the 2 big green lines coming up, and that's our nice uptrend that is pinching together. You can see this, so that makes that a rising wedge. Yesterday, Wednesday, we actually broke down below. You can see that we closed down below that trend line, that green line coming down from this swing low to this higher swing low, and we closed lower than that. Now today we gapped down and had a pretty big sell-off first thing this morning. We came down and rallied back up, closing in bullish territory by day's end. The point I want to show you here is this blue line where it found support. And if I were to go back in time to show you this blue line, this goes back here into March. I showed you this yesterday. Another swing low here into April. And then that comes up, and that's precisely where we find our support right now. Now we rallied back up on decent volume, but we closed on the wrong side, or the lower side of this trend line. So the green trend line again is this swing low to this swing low. We come up. That's now acting as resistance. As much as I wanted to start adding a bunch of bullish positions on, I know the odds are against me right now because of that trend line. So I need for it to bust up through that trend line, and preferably this blue trend line, for me to want to start going bullish. But there's a lot of resistance right here in this area that we have to be concerned with. But look at this. Hey, and I want to do a little bit of psychological help here. And I'm not a doctor by any stretch of the imagination, but I have mentored over 500 individuals. And one thing that I can tell you is this. Anytime you have this pop up, you can see we get a higher high, higher low, but it comes crashing back down. And then you get this inside trading candle. You see this lower high but a higher low, and then you pop up, everything's going to go bullish, and then it comes crashing down, lower high, lower low, and then we go crashing down like we're getting ready to go bearish, but then it shoots straight back up. See all this choppiness? I'm speaking to the vast majority of everybody out there right now. With my 13 years trading experience and mentoring literally tens of thousands of individuals online, and then one-on-one over 500, I can tell you this, that this sort of market right here has a much better chance of sucking money out of your account than putting it in. So this is the time that I'm going to have you not over trade. Most of us, when you go down in money, let me throw myself into this. When we as traders go down in money, we want to over trade to try to make that money back. What we want to do is over leverage ourselves to try to make that money back. So the best thing you can do is sit on your hands, step away from trading. Do not go back into the casino because you're acting as a gambler. We need to act as the house, and there is a paradigm difference there in how we think and how we operate in trading. It's all about capital preservation. It's all about risk management. The only way to do that is not to be swinging for the fences, not to take those risks that are outside the realms of our trading plan. So I hope that helps you. So it's you are in good hands with us. We'll take care of you here at Grok Trade. What we ask you is to listen to us and let us help guide you. So this is, if you are finding your account hemorrhaging, it might be the wisest decision to step back, reanalyze your trades to find out what you need to do to get back on the right track. Now, speaking of that, if you are a mentor student of mine, I will help you stay on the right track. And we actually have a mentorship coming up in a couple weeks. I'm going to be talking about it tonight. If you want to hear about it, it's information only. If you want to hear about this, just get signed up. All you do is go to the website, freeonlinetradingeducation.com, click on calendar. And tonight's the 12th. Click on the 12th, get registered, and we will see you this evening. Take care and safe trading to you.